Hey guys, I'm Killer from Killer for Gaming. To get first-person view video, many of players mount the camera on the helmets. Today I'm gonna show you how to put the camera on the helmets by using OMICAM. So, let's get started. First, we need to prepare a helmet with the MVG mount. A MVG mount base for the quick release mount on the camera. And the most important thing, the camera. By the way, we will need a smooth file. We will need it later. And I think those things you can easily buy at eBay. So just go for it. And I use an airframe helmet. I buy at CMC. And make sure to buy the MVG mount if you don't have it on your helmet. Then we take out our camera base and try to put it on the MVG mount to make sure it can fit. Then the camera. But don't be too rushed. We need to fix the camera base to protect the quick release mount. If you don't do this, the quick release mount may be broke easily. So we use a smooth file to grind on front of the slide. Just a little, not too much. And now we can put the camera on the base and the MVG mount. If the camera was not stable, cut about 2 or 3 papers and put between the camera and the base. It should be fixed. And remember to hook the base. We still don't want anything terrible happen. Okay, we finished the helmet camera setup. Then we need to talk about how to use this camera. First, we press the power button about 2 seconds to open the camera. Then you'll hear the music. Then press Wi-Fi button to allow we connect to the camera and do more settings like ISO, HDR, EV and more. As you can see, there's lights on the power button. Every light have different meaning. If it was green, like now, the battery is more than 50%. If it's yellow, it's about 50 to 20%. And if it's less than 20, you turn to red. This camera is very easy to use. Just put your start in, press the diagram button and you can start the recording. Press the live log button once on the back of the camera to start record live log. And if you don't press the live log button, it will switch to the photo mode. And there's also time-lapse mode, but you can only setting when you're connected to the Wi-Fi. So that's our video today. If you like my video and want to know more about airsoft, please give it a thumbs up and share the video. I'm Killer. See you next time.